Happy New Year! I am with my boyfriend, and we are gonna make really yummy dumplings. We have to mix the filling. Now we have to shape it. They look so yummy, but we have to boil or fry them. Yay, we're done.
Wow, this looks so yummy. I love dumplings. Yay, 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 yay. Yay, 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 yay.
I'll be right back here.